And the race is on. Royal Fair from the outside, Black Label. Aloha is moving up by the Aloha is now the leader, followed by Black Label in second. Royal Fair is running in third, moving up by Darrell is Rampage entry number 2, Hammer It Home. And on the outside, IZ Dragon Intramuros, and this Ram is running at the tail of the field by about 7 to 8 lengths of the leader. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Aloha! Black Label is on the outside. Aloha by Anek. Black Label, Royal Fair, IC Dragon, Rampage. Then here comes on this Ram as they race the last 500. Aloha, Black Label, Royal Fair on this Ram is on the outside. Rampage down on the inside. Bunch of horses fighting it out for the lead. Royal Fair, Rampage, IC Dragon on this Ram is on the outside. Royal Fair on the outside, IC Dragon, and this Ram on the further outside moves up, and finally on this Ram close with Royal Fair. Number 6, IC Dragon, close, Black Label, Rampage.
Is that for real? 6, 8.